So, because of what the title of this video is, don't get me wrong, I love having Raven. I love having a service dog, but there are some cons, and I'm going to be sharing 5 of them with you guys. So if you want to get a service dog, just be aware of these things. The first one is dog people. Now, I know there are lots of dog people, and they'll just come up and they'll want to start a conversation, but they'll come out of nowhere and just start petting your dog, and you'll be like, okay, well, you can't do that, and they'll be like, I'm sorry, I'm just such a dog person. I know, but on the vest it says you cannot do that. Just because you're a dog person does not mean you can pet my dog. Now, number 2 is public access. I have been denied so many places in the past 7 years of having this dog. I have taxis, Ubers, malls, grocery stores, restaurants, you name it, I've probably been denied because of my dog. But due to the federal law, she is allowed in those places. They just think that they don't have to follow it. And you can legally go in there and talk to the manager. If you're getting a service dog, you can talk to anyone about that. You have the right to argue with them because it is a federal law that you will be able to bring your dog in that place. Unless it is not a part of the United States, you technically have the right to bring your dog there. You are allowed to bring your dog to a water park if you have to. I've done that before. The second one is financial. Yes, it takes a lot of money for training, food, vests, treats, collars, vet visits, all of the stuff. Number 4 is responsibility. When you get a service dog, you have to be very responsible because it is just so hard to keep track of them, and you have to keep on training them. There's not one day that you can stop training them. Even though they're not still in training, you still have to be training them every day so they don't forget what they have to do. So the 5th topic is death. Yes, obviously it hurts when one of your pets dies, but it hurts even more when a service dog dies because you have that special bond. You're spending 24/7 with them, and you don't want to lose them because you feel unsafe because you've had them for so long. And it's going to hurt more because you spend every day of your life, every second of your life with that dog, and you don't want to lose them because you feel like when you lose a pet, obviously it hurts. When you lose a person, it obviously hurts. But if you lose a service dog, it hurts way more because Raven, you want to get out of me? Because you just have a special bond with a service dog. And I'm tearing up because I know that that's probably going to happen soon with how old Raven is. Come here, Raven. Raven is turning 9 in next year, and she's a lab, so she's only supposed to live to about 15, and that's not much longer for her.